What's up, YouTube? Thanks for clicking into this video today. If you haven't already, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And so today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I straighten my natural curly hair. And it's basically just going to be a routine on how I would do it, even though I don't straighten my hair that often. So first, I just start off by parting my hair into two sections. And I forgot to mention that my hair is still wet right now. I know it looks kind of dry, but it's actually dripping wet right now. And so on one side, I'm going to be taking that and parting it into two sections. And I'm just going to be starting out with the back section right here. And I'm going to be taking the Main Choice Botanical Heat Silencer. And it's a thermal protection spray. Just a heat protectant, spraying it all over my hair. Make sure I protect my hair from that heat. Don't want any heat damage today. And then I'm going to be using the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. And you guys, I love this serum because it's so lightweight. It doesn't weigh your hair down. It's a really good serum. So I'm going to be using my detangling brush, and I think it's a Tangle Tweezer brush that I'm using. And I'm just going to be detangling my hair. And I'll be sure to put all of these products down in the description below for you guys. So now I'm going to be using my blow dryer, and I'm not sure what kind of blow dryer this is because I've had it for a long time, and I also don't have any of the attachments that it came with, so I just use it like regular. So I kind of just use kind of like the chase method, but with a blow dryer and my detangling brush, and that's how I blow dry my hair, just because I don't have the attachments to it. So this is kind of like the best way that I have at the moment. But yeah, so I'm just blow drying my hair right now. And I try to make sure that when I blow dry it, I try to make sure it's blow dried thoroughly. And so now I'm just going to take the Garnier Fructis Serum again, and I'm just going to be putting some more in my hair to make sure my hair isn't too dried out and give it some shine and luster. Okay, so before I move on to any other sections, I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting the blow dry part that I did. And I do that just to keep it detangled and not get tangled up again. Okay, so now we're going to start on the next section. I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to use my heat protectant spray. Spray it all throughout my hair. And then I'm going to be using the Garnier Fructis Anti-Frizz Serum. And I will say now, these are the only two products that I use throughout the whole video. So if you see me putting something in my hair, more than likely it's going to be the Garnier Fructis Serum. But yeah. So sometimes I like to kind of like hold my hair near the roots with the brush, and then kind of like put the blow dryer on the roots of my hair first, because sometimes my hair is harder to blow dry in the roots, it takes longer, and so sometimes I just get the roots first before anything. And then now I'm gonna start going down the length of my hair and blow drying that. So now I'm on another section, and I just kind of skipped through it a little bit just to kind of speed up the process, because you guys, it takes me about an hour to blow dry my hair completely. It takes me about an hour, so I made sure I sped up through the process for you guys. Okay, so I finished the blow drying process, and after each section I did put the serum in there just so you guys know, and this is what it's looking like right now. And so I had to do this, you guys, on 2 separate days because I'm a busy person and I didn't have that much time. So I actually had to do this on 2 separate days. So in this clip I am wearing a different outfit. This is a new day. And yeah, I still haven't straightened it. It's still blow dried. But we're gonna start the straightening process now. So I'm gonna start by parting my hair into 2 sections again, kind of like I did when I blow dried my hair. And so I started off by parting a little section of my hair in the back of my hair, but I had forgot to put more of the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum in this section of my hair. So I had to stop and go back and put the serum in my hair, just so you guys know. So I went back and put the serum in my hair and then brushed it throughout my hair. And that's just what I do before I straighten it. And now I can start off by parting a little section in the back of my hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of my hair up in a clip, move it out the way. Now, I also, oh, and guys, don't be like me. I started off by automatically trying to comb this little section of my hair. Make sure you guys use a brush first for detangling and then a comb, because that's not good to just start off by combing your hair. And then I'm going to be using my straightener to, straighten my hair. And this straightener is a Conair straightener. I will have to look up the details on that and put it in the description box, because I don't remember off the top of my head what straightener exactly it is. And the straightener wasn't exactly hot enough just yet, but it still worked good enough, so I still used it. For the most part, each little section that I do, I put a little tiny bit of the Garnier serum in each section also. And I do that just so I can make sure that it gets to every little section of my hair. Because yes, I put it throughout my hair, but I want to make sure that it gets to almost like every single strand. But just make sure that you don't put too much product in your hair. It might look like I'm using a lot of the Garnier Fructis anti-frizz serum. It might look like I'm using a lot, but I'm actually not. I'm just using little by little. And I do that just to make sure I don't put too much in my hair, because it'll weigh my hair down. Okay, so I was just adjusting my camera a little bit so you can see more of like the length of my hair down at the bottom, because my hair is kind of long, so I was trying to make sure you could see the bottom of it. So now I'm just parting out another section, and my sections I do kind of big, just because I have a straightener that can handle a little bit bigger sections, so that's why I do that. And I got this straightener on purpose because it's longer and it's wider. I think it's like 1.5 inches wide, so really works good for me. And I always start out the roots and kind of straighten it like 3 times at the roots, just to get it extra straight, and then go down the length of my hair with the flat iron. Now, also, one thing that I will say is that I try to pass through just once with the flat iron, but sometimes, you know, if it doesn't get straight enough, I will go through it a second time, but I don't ever go over it more than 2 times. So I just sped up the video just so we can kind of get through the rest of this video kind of quick, because I'm not trying to make it too lengthy. Okay, so I'm on the other side of my hair now, and I had to adjust the camera so you guys could kind of see it. So I kind of put the camera on the other side of me, and that's why it kind of looks a little bit different. So I would say the key to this really is not putting too much product in your hair, because if you put too much product, it's going to weigh your hair down. So the key is not to put too much in your hair. You have to put just the right amount in your hair to get this to work. Okay, so I finished straightening my hair now, and so I'm just going back over and putting some more of the serum in my hair, just to give it a little bit of extra shine. And then I'm just brushing my hair out, and yeah, this is the final look. And so I'm just going to be showing you how bouncy and flowy it is. Silky smooth. And then I'm just going to show you the back of my hair. And yes, guys, I know I need a trim. I need a trim bad. My ends are not the best. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Definitely comment down below and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching and tuning into this video. I'll see you next week.